Hi everyone! My name is Renata. My name is Charlie.
And I am Nicole.
This is the coolest, the hippest,
and the trending all over the Philippines.
This is Biology in Action, featuring the Kingdom Dante.
Kingdom Dante.
Dante are defined as multicellular organisms which produce their food by photosynthesis. They are also known as metaphytes. Mainly in the old classification, plant kingdom is divided into three groups. There are thallophytes, bryophytes, and tracheophytes. Thallophytes include fungi and algae. In this group, there is formation of thallus, which is non-vascular and non-differentiated part. There is no embryo formation. In the new classification of plant kingdom, thallophytes are not included. It includes algae, bryophytes, and tracheophytes. Algae are aquatic and do not have embryo stage.
But bryophytes and tracheophytes have an embryo stage and are known as embryophyta. These types occurs on land. Tracheophytes are also known as vascular plants. Vascular plants are further divided into teratophytes, and spermatophytes are vascular plants with seeds.
Plants originated underwater where the sea connects to the land. In the sea, most of the organisms are photosynthetic and cellular. They are restricted up to 200 meters of the sea. This is referred as aquatic region. The remaining plants which are below this level are of decomposer type as there is no light available for the process of photosynthesis. Algae play an important role for the evolution of terrestrial plants. So, they are primitive as compared with plants.
Today, children, we are the biology teachers in General Santos City High School. I'm teacher Nopiem and I'm teacher Sarah. I will discuss further about Kingdom Plantae. The Kingdom Plantae are plants provide nourishments for our bodies and souls. With the help of protists and fungi, plants provide the oxygen we breathe and the food that sustains us, either directly or indirectly by feeding other animals. Plants provide shades over our heads and cool carpets under our feet by surrounding us with beautiful colors and working the change of seasons. For their more explanations, at least 4 classification systems are in common use. Plants are classified into 12 phyla or divisions based largely on reproductive characteristics. They are classified by tissue structure into non-vascular and vascular plants, by seed structure into those reproductive through naked seeds, covered seeds, or spores, or by stature divided into mosses, ferns, shrubs, and vines, trees, and herbs. All of these higher level groupings are decidedly lopsided. The vast majority of 270,000 plant species are flowering herbs. The categories listed below provide slightly better balance. The largest phyla is split when the other phyla are grouped according to one or more of the methods described above.
Hi again. Today, we have some guest students from General Santos City High School, and we want to learn what is vascular and non-vascular plants. In order to know the answers, here is a Filipino botanist from Harvard University.
Ma'am, what is this vascular and non-vascular plant?
Most species of non-vascular plants are small, not exceeding 2 cm tall. They do not have true roots, stems, and leaves. Water and dissolved nutrients are absorbed by the root-like part called rhizoid, which anchor the plant to soil, rock, tree, trunk, or stone walls. Examples of these are liverworts and mosses. Vascular plants. Vascular plants represent the more primitive of the vascular plants. About 950 species of ferns are found in the Philippines. Ferns thrive in shaded and moist habitats.
Ferns and allies, Pteridophyta and allies. Ferns and allies have a vascular system to transport fluids through their bodies, but like the mosses, they are produced from spores rather than seeds. The main find of the ferns, Pteridophyta, includes around 12,000 species. 3 other phyla are included as fern allies. The horsetails, Sphenophyta and Pseudophyta, 40 species ride accompanied by an orchid. Some mosses like Apodophyta, 1,000 species, and wheat ferns, Xylophyta, 3 species. The vast majority of plants are dicot. Most trees, shrubs, vines, and flowers belong to this group of around 200,000 species. Most fruits, vegetables, and legumes come from this class.
Mosses and allies, Bryophyta and allies. Mosses are non-vascular plants. They cannot transport fluids through their bodies. Instead, they must rely on surrounding moisture to do this job for them. Though small in stature, mosses are very important members of an ecosystem. They lay the foundations for other plant growth, prevent erosion, and contribute to the lush green appearance of many forested areas. The 24,000 bryophyte species, sometimes belonging to a single phylum, are now grouped in 3 phyla. Mosses or Bryophyta, liverworts or Hematophyta, and hornworts or Anthocerophyta. They are produced by spores, never have flowers, and can be found growing on the ground, on rocks, and on other plants.
Conifers and allies. Gymnosperms, Coniferophyta, and allies. The gymnosperms add the next level of complexity to plant evolution. They are produced from seeds instead of spores. The seeds, however, are naked, not covered by an ovary. Usually, the seed is produced inside a cone-like structure, such as pine cone, hence the name conifer. Some conifers, such as yew and ginkgo, produce their seeds inside a berry-like structure. Conifers are fairly easy to identify. In addition to the aforementioned cones, these trees and shrubs typically have needle-like, scale-like, or awl-like leaves, and they never have flowers. Approximately 600 species are counted as conifers, including the pines, firs, spruces, cedars, junipers, and yew. Species within the conifer ranks gives us pine nuts, pesos, magic ingredient, as well as juniper berries for gin. Conifer allies include 3 small phyla containing fewer than 200 species altogether. Ginkgo, Ginkgophyta with a single species. The main hair, 3, Ginkgo biloba, palm-like cycads, Cycadophyta, and herb-like cone-bearing plants, Dinophyta such as Ephedra.
Flowering monocot plants, Angiospermophyta class Monocotyledonate. Monocot starts with one seed leaf. The main leaves of their foliage leaves are usually impressed and nearly parallel to each other. Around 13,000 plants are classified as monocots, including many of the prettiest members of the subsystem. Orchids, lilies, arabis, palms, and even the burning paradise plants. Flowering zygote plants, Angiospermophyta class Cycadophyta. Angiosperms have the final improvement in plant reproduction. They grow their seeds inside an ovary, from the Greek word ageon, means vessel, which is itself embedded in the flower. After it is fertilized, the flower falls away in the ovary to a Angiosperms in the class Cycadophyta grow 2 seed leaves. In addition, full-range leaves typically have a single branching main vein originating at the base of the leaf vein, or 3 or 4 main veins that diverge. From this episode, we've learned that non-vascular land plants or bryophytes are the most primitive of plants. They have no real leaves, stems, roots, and transport system for food and water.
While vascular plants consist of ferns, Gymnosperms and angiosperms. Sperms reproduce sexually by means of spores, while gymnosperms and angiosperms reproduce by means of seeds. Gymnosperms have exposed seeds, and angiosperms have seeds which are usually protected by the flesh of fruits.
Plants are the major sources of food, both for animals and humans. Some plants, however, may have harmful effects on food crops, livestock, and humans.
Once again, this is Biology in Action, featuring Kingdom Cafe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!
Tracheophytes are also known as vascular plants. Vascular plants are further divided into tracheophytes and tracheophytes.